Hello everyone! In today's video we will explore 5 exciting JavaScript features. So let's get started. We'll start with group by function. It's a proposal that aims to introduce a native grouping function called group by in JavaScript. When working with arrays, there is often a need to group elements based on specific criteria. Traditionally, developers use reduce, object, map, or external libraries like Lodash to achieve grouping. The proposal array grouping addresses this problem by introducing a native grouping feature in JavaScript. Let's take a look at a simple example. Imagine we have an array of objects and we want to group them by age. With the group by function, achieving this becomes as simple as writing just one line of code. That's all what you need to group elements. No more dependencies or complex solutions. JavaScript will provide a native grouping features that's both efficient and easy to use. Are you waiting for this feature? Share your ideas under the video. Let's take a look at the next proposal. Throw expressions proposal introduces a new syntax that simplifies error handling in JavaScript. This proposal allows you to throw exceptions directly within expressions. For example, you can now throw exceptions within conditional statements, function calls, logical operations, and other expressions. Let's practice a bit. If we pass any argument, for example, a number, our function shows this number in console. But if we don't, we will see the error. What do you think about this proposal? Share your answers under the video. For me, this proposal shows great promise in improving the syntax and usability of error handling in JavaScript. Let's discuss the next proposal. Await.ops proposal introduces a new syntax that reduces the amount of code you need to write while maintaining the same functionality. Let's take a look at a simple example. As you can see, you no longer need to explicitly write promise with the sin and wait functions. Less writing means more time saved. Maybe this improvement will not change any functionality, but at least save our time. A memo function is a powerful technique used to optimize the performance of a function by hashing its results. In simple words, a memo function stores the result of function for specific inputs. So, when the same inputs are used again, the stored result is returned directly instead of running the function again. Additionally, the proposal aims to add a function declaration version. Currently, there are still some open questions about how to implement this memo function, but I hope that they will find answers because I'm excited to try it. The once function provides a convenient and reliable way to control and manage the execution of functions, ensuring that they are invoked only when needed and preventing redundant or duplicate actions. No matter how many times we call the once function, it will be executed only once. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be happy to see your feedback under the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.